to give journals as gifts, so I always look for a counterpart in a pen. These are cute, these are clicky, and these are surprisingly smooth. I love the color, the pastels, and they actually work really well, so that's a win-win. This is new, so they write smoothly with bold black ink. And I love the pastel barrels. These are going to add a pop of happy to anybody's desk. Super comfortable, easy for jotting notes down or, you know, writing that full to-do list. But these are actually, they look more expensive than they actually are. They're very nice for a gift or for yourself. And they have a nice real feel in your hand. They are not too skinny. They are not too bulky. These are just right for everyday writing, journaling, or to-do lists. I do highly recommend these candy colored pens.